Welcome back to My Vision Red News. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. Like the video to help push us into the algorithm. Also, to be up to date when we drop content, please turn on your notification bell. The judge overseeing the criminal racketeering trial against rapper Young Thug was formally removed from the case on Monday, following complaints that he and prosecutors held an improper meeting with a key prosecution witness. In a written order, Fulton County Superior Court Judge Rachel Krause, who was assigned to hear recusal motions from the Atlanta rapper and another co-defendant, stated she generally agreed with Judge Glanville, who defended the June 10th meeting and his decision not to inform defense attorneys about it. Krause noted she found nothing inherently improper about the meeting, but criticized Glanville's handling of the situation, suggesting his defensive stance raised questions about his objectivity. She ordered Glanville to be recused, citing the need to maintain public trust. This court has no doubt that Judge Glanville can and would continue presiding fairly over this matter if the recusal motions were denied, but the necessity of preserving the public's confidence in the judicial system weighs in favor of excusing Judge Glanville from further handling of this case, Krause wrote. The ruling comes 2 weeks after Glanville abruptly halted the case amid complaints of misconduct. Late Monday, Fulton County Superior Court Judge Shakura Ingram was assigned to oversee the case, replacing Glanville, but it was not immediately clear when testimony might resume. Young Thug, whose real name is Jeffrey Lamar Williams, and 27 associates were charged in May 2022 as part of a sweeping grand jury indictment that alleged the rapper and his co-defendants were members of a violent criminal street gang in Atlanta. Prosecutors have alleged Young Thug was the head of the gang, known as YSL, or Young Slime Life, and have charged him with criminal racketeering, gang conspiracy, and drug and weapons charges, while others were charged with other violent crimes, including murder and attempted armed robbery. Young Thug's attorneys have contended that YSL is merely a record label and have criticized prosecutors for introducing Young Thug's lyrics as evidence at trial, arguing that his rhymes were artistic expression, not literal recountings of criminal acts. It was not immediately clear whether Glanville's recusal would get the case back on track. Now let's get into this. Brian Steele, an attorney for Young Thug, has filed numerous motions for a mistrial. He has also sought to remove Adrienne Love, an assistant Fulton County District Attorney leading the case, and another prosecutor who were in last month's secret meeting with Glanville and Kenneth Copeland, a former Young Thug associate and witness. In a motion last week, Steele gave notice that he plans to call Glanville and Love as defense witnesses to question them under oath about the meeting with Copeland and any other private meetings related to the case that he says defendants should have been aware of. In a statement, Steele reiterated Young Thug's innocence and his right to a fair trial, accusing Glanville and prosecutors of running afoul of their duties under the law. We look forward to proceeding with a trial judge who will fairly and faithfully follow the law, Steele said. What are your thoughts on Judge Glanville getting recused from the YSL RICO case? I'd love to hear your take on it, so please tell us below in the comments. Again, thanks for watching My Vision Red News. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Your support will help us grow on YouTube. To keep us in the algorithm, please like the video and share it. Smash your notification button to be up to date when we drop content. Until next time, thanks for your support.